Miss Queenie and my boy Presur, man. What y'all think about that breeding right there? That breeding look real good. That breeding look real good. What y'all think about that breeding? Come here, man. Come here, man. That's Miss Queenie, man. Miss Queenie's a clean girl, boy. She got more of that classic style look. But she's nice, very nice. What y'all think about that, though? Look at that little dude. Look at that little dude. Little dude know he nasty, man. That boy nasty. Look at it. He know he nasty. Miss Queenie, look at her. She like, man, I don't care. But we're going to skip this heat, though, y'all. We're going to skip this heat. We're not going to breed her. We're not going to breed her. This is her second heat. We're going to let her go to the third. And we're going to put some things in order. But, man, look at that breeding right there, though, man. That breeding right there would be fire. Yeah, sir. Look at it. My little dog want to enter the ring. Look at it. But I'm off work. Out hanging in the camp. See if I can't turn my phone around. Hold up. Say hey, Kingston. Yo, Kingston, man. Say hey, buddy. Say what's up, buddy. Say what's up, buddy. But yeah, we out here in the kennel, me and my son. That's what I do with him on an everyday basis. Bring him out here. Man, that breeding would be dope, though. That would be dope, though. What y'all think? What y'all think about it? Get out there. Get out. Quit being nasty, boy. Quit being nasty. But yeah, just out here chilling. Kennel's done. Y'all can see. Kennel's done. We chilling. My boy is being super nasty. Look at it. Little man will get, little man will mount. He will mount. Yeah. He being nasty, man. He's being nasty. You calm down, shorty. Be nice.